How to check views on Instagram post. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can check views on Instagram post. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Instagram. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. Then head over to your profile that is on the bottom right. Now for this to work, you'll actually need to be on professional mode. If you don't know how you can go to professional mode, or if you're not in professional mode, you can easily go to professional mode by heading over to the three lines on the top right corner, and then from here you can scroll down and there you can find an option that says account type. Now I don't have that option since I'm already on professional mode, so you guys can easily go to professional mode, and after you do that, simply open up the post of which you want to see the views of. After you do that, what you'll need to do is tap on View Insights. Tap on View Insights, and after you do that, you'll get the overview for your post. Now under Overview, you'll find the views also. So there you can see I have 6 views on this post. And that is basically how you can check views on Instagram post, guys. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.